Hello, nice day. Today we share with you for the upgrade Pulse 900C Center Cleaner Unit. It is integrated with the microscope, X-ray, and the food options. It will make the dentist finish all the treatment by one unit, which more efficient, convenient, and comfortable. Now let's see the details. We will start from the microscope. The microscope with autofocus function will help the dentist finish the working much easily and can catch the clear image in seconds. It is with camera. You can see the image from eyepiece or from the LCD at the same time. There are 5 different magnification. The biggest one is 20x. The working distance 28.7 centimeter. Good distance matching for dental tools. The built-in X-ray, the arms long enough, is easy to reach to the left or right side face. During the treatment, the patients do not need to move to another room. There are 3 unique points on this dental unit. The first one, built-in electric suction, working much powerful, and patients feel comfortable. The dentists do not need buy the extra portable suction. Second, the Wi-Fi wireless foot pedal, no limitation from the cables. The dentist can press the foot pedal by his left or right side foot. This vibrated from his left. Let's see the design of this unit. Third, the camera in light. The patient or his friend can see the dentist working generally. And this is for seeing, so we don't put the high pixel camera. It is with long and big cushion, 2.2 meter long. It will cover all kinds of the patients and make the patient feel comfortable. And this will make the chair look luxury. The filter operation light, the light peaceful and focused with sensor. And 3 mode light. The LED white, yellow, and mixed together. And the light intensity can be adjusted. For the correct working distance on dental unit is the most important thing for the dentist's health. So for this chair, the operation tray angle and the head and assistant chain and the custody door all is calculated well. So the dentist and patient work on this chair, both of them will feel comfortable. Now we talk about the quality of this chair. It is with CE ISO approval with 2 years warranty. We follow the CE system on each step with the quality strict control from the production development, design, production, debugging to testing. Now, what we can see, the control system included to the motor are from the lease company. They have more than 20 years history. The quality is stable enough. And all the tubes and wells from internal are from A quality. The tubes and cables are imported. It can resist from the cold and hot weather, and it can be lasting more than 5 years. Now let's see the unit box. All the tubes and cables are regulated well. The electrical and water tube are separated by 2 sides for safety and easier for maintenance. And for this dental unit, we install with the food options to let the dentist finish the work more efficient. Like we install the built-in LED scaler, handpiece, hearing light, auto camera with the new LCD position. And what more, this dental unit can install the microscope and X-ray. to let the dentist finish all the working by one unit. Thanks for watching on this dental chair video. See you next time.